you think about it, oil rules our lives. It's used in diesel fuel that provides electricity, fuel that provides transportation, and this in turn provides jobs to feed our families. For 20 years, the price of oil only increased by an average of 5% per year. But then in 2001, oil prices began to rise dramatically. By 2008, the cost of oil was nearly 10 times what it was in 1998. Although prices have reduced recently, oil prices are expected to increase again as oil reserves diminish. Oil makes up nearly 1/3 of our total imports, and that's growing. More money is now going out of the country than is coming in. This trade imbalance will have a long-term impact by increasing prices on transportation, manufactured goods, and even basic food items. The increasing use of petroleum products is also causing climate change and global warming. What can we do? We have to reduce the amount of petroleum products we use and use them more efficiently. Save energy now to protect Fiji.